All right, let's see if we can find the difference. This model right here is 1996 and this one is 2002 Tomy. And let me show you. That is 202 Tomy and this is definitely 1996 Tomy. Both are Edward, but the thing is this face can come off and this is a single piece with the smokestack and both work. So I'm about to ship one of these today. That one is going today. The other one still available for sale. I mean, if you're looking for, not going yet, but anyways, both work as they should. Working great. Doing a simple test. See, the thing is, I noticed that this is 1996 Tomy. That one is 2002 Tomy. Actually, it says 1996 underneath too, but it's this one is the one 1996, the original Edward, the original date. They look like the same. There you can see the difference. Maybe it's just the date. It's just the date, and the coupling is different. But that's how it came. Fixed and running. This one is going today.